हेलो एवरीवन, रोज़ बोले जाने वाले कुछ डेली यूज न्यू सेंटेंसेस। सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज मेरा टाइम अच्छा कट रहा है। इसे इंग्लिश में कहेंगे आई एम गोइंग थ्रू अ गुड टाइम। कार होना मेरी दिली इच्छा है। टू हैव अ कार इज माई होल हार्टेड विल। टू हैव अ कार इज माई होल हार्टेड विल। वो निकल गया होगा। ही वुड हैव लेफ्ट। He would have left. आपने उसे कॉल किया होगा। You would have called him. You would have called him. आप रख लीजिए ये पेन। You keep this pen. You keep this pen. मेरे पैर में दर्द है। I have a pain in my leg. I have a pain in my leg. मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है। I am having to go. I am having to go. राहुल को सोचना पड़ रहा है। राहुल is having to think. राहुल is having to think. हमेशा के लिए रख लीजिए। Keep it forever. Keep it forever. उसने खाना खा लिया था। He had eaten the food. He had eaten the food. अविरत बर्गर खा रहा है। अविरत इज ईटिंग बर्गर। अविरत इज ईटिंग बर्गर। आपके पास कितना पैसा है? हाउ मच मनी डू यू हैव? हाउ मच मनी डू यू हैव? लगता है उसके पास पेन है। सीम्स एज ही हैज़ अ पेन। सीम्स एज ही हैज़ अ पेन। हमें घर जाना होगा। We will have to go home. We will have to go home. हमें समझौता करना होगा। We will have to compromise. We will have to compromise. मुझे खेलना है। I have to play. मुझे खेलना है। I have to play. हमें नहीं खेलना है। We have not to play. We have not to play. क्या मुझे जाना है? Have I to go? Have I to go? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मैं तुमसे बेहतर हूँ। I am better than you. I am better than you. हम उससे लंबे हैं। We are taller than him. We are taller than him. मैंने जिंदगी भर उसे प्यार किया। I loved him or her throughout my life. I loved him or her throughout my life. हमने रात भर काम किया। We worked throughout the night. We worked throughout the night. मैं तुम्हारे बिना कुछ नहीं हूँ। I am nothing without you. I am nothing without you. राम मेरे बिना नहीं जाएगा। राम will not go without me. राम will not go without me. उसके बिना हम अकेले हैं। We are alone without him. We are alone without him. कीमतें बढ़ रही हैं। Prices are rising up. Prices are rising up. गुब्बारा ऊपर जा रहा है। Balloon is going up. Balloon is going up. बहुत अच्छा होना भी अच्छा नहीं होता। It's not good to be too good. It's not good to be too good. खुद से प्यार करो। Love yourself. Love yourself. ये पाप है। It's a sin. It's a sin. आप थके हुए लग रहे हो। You are looking tired. You are looking tired. समय किसी इंतजार नहीं करता। Time wait for none. Time waits for none. क्या आपको ये चाहिए? Do you need it? Do you need it? क्या आपको कुछ चाहिए? Do you need something? Do you need something? मैं मजे कर रहा हूँ। I am having fun. I am having fun. मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. I am feeling bored. I am feeling bored. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. I am eating food. I am eating food. मैं ऑफिस के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. I am leaving for office. I am leaving for office. मैं ऑफिस में नहीं हूँ. I am not in office. I am not in office. मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. गिलास को उल्टा कर दो. Turn the glass upside down. Turn the glass upside down. कंप्यूटर बंद कर दो. Turn off the computer. Turn off the computer. दिल पे मत लो. Don't take it too hard. Don't take it too hard. वो रास्ते में है. He is on the way. He is on the way. वो प्रशंसा के लायक है. He is praiseworthy. He is praiseworthy. वो एकाध दिन में आएगा. He will come in a day or so. He will come in a day or so. मिशन पूरा हुआ. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो. Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. आज तपतपाती गर्मी है. It's blistering heat today. It's blistering heat today. तुम्हारे दिल में कुछ तो है. There is something in your heart. There is something in your heart. आज कपकपाती ठंड है. It's shivering cold today. It's shivering cold today. टीवी देखना बंद करो. Stop watching TV. Stop watching TV. कार्टून देखना बंद करो. Stop watching cartoon. Stop watching cartoon. अपने दांत अच्छे से साफ करो. Brush your teeth properly. Brush your teeth properly. अपने कपड़े पहन लो. Wear your clothes. Wear your clothes. अपने जूते पहन लो. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. अपने कपड़े उतार दो. Take off your clothes. Take off your clothes. अपने जूते उतार दो. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. अपने जूते के तस्मे बांध लो. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. अपना खाना जल्दी खत्म करो. Finish your food quickly. Finish your food quickly. ये आपकी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है. It is good for your health. It is good for your health. इसे मत छेड़ो. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. मेरे मोबाइल को मत छेड़ो. Don't touch my mobile. Don't touch my mobile. टीवी को मत छेड़ो. Don't touch the TV. Don't touch the TV. लैपटॉप को मत छेड़ो. Don't touch the laptop. Don't touch the laptop. रोने की हिम्मत भी मत करना. Don't dare to cry. Don't dare to cry. एक घूंट भी नहीं. Not even a sip. Not even a sip. एक टुकड़ा भी नहीं. Not even a bite. Not even a bite. मैंने ये इंसानियत के नाते किया है. I have shown humanity. I have shown humanity. इस झंडे को यहाँ गाड़ना है. This flag is to be dug here. This flag is to be dug here. अपने पैरों को घसीटो मत. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. घुटने के बल मत चलो. Don't drag your knees. Don't drag your knees. कुर्सी को घसीटो मत. Don't drag the chair. Don't drag the chair. पेन को घसीटो मत. Don't drag the pen. Don't drag the pen. अपने नाखून मत चबाओ. Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. अपनी उंगलियां मुंह में मत डालो. Don't put your finger into your mouth. Don't put your finger into your mouth. अपने कपड़े बदल लो. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करो. Complete your homework. Complete your homework. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. झगड़ा मत करो. Don't make a quarrel. Don't make a quarrel. मोबाइल पर खेलना बंद करो. Stop playing on mobile. Stop playing on mobile. मोबाइल पर गेम खेलना बंद करो. Stop playing games on mobile. Stop playing games on mobile. उसकी बातों ने मुझे हिम्मत दी. His words strengthened me. His word strengthened me. सुनो, एक काम करो. Listen, do one thing. Listen, do one thing. ये फ़ोन कितने का है? How much is this phone? How much is this phone? कभी कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. Sometimes we have to speak a lie. Sometimes we have to speak a lie. आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी. You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me. इसका लॉक कैसे खुलता है? How to open its lock. How to open its lock. तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? आप इस वक्त कहाँ पर हो? Where are you at the moment? Where are you at the moment? ये वाला कैसा रहेगा? How about this one? How about this one? आप इतनी जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in so a hurry? Why are you in so a hurry? उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. He is sick और he is not fine और he is not well. क्या आपको भूख लगी है? Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry? तो बताओ क्या खाना चाहोगी? Then tell me what would you like to eat? Then tell me what would you like to eat? वो आपके कौन लगते हैं? Who is he to you? Who is he to you? मुझे आपसे अभी मिलना है. I have to meet you right now. I have to meet you right now. मुझे घर पहुँचने में 1 घंटा लगेगा. I will take an hour to get home. I will take an hour to get home. क्या आपको देर हो रही है? Are you getting late? क्या आपको देर हो रही है? Are you getting late? ज़रा बोतल पकड़ना ना. Hand me the bottle please. Hand me the bottle please. मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why does it only happen to me? Why does it only happen to me? कैसे कहूँ कि मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो गया है? How do I say that I have fallen for you? How do I say that I have fallen for you? मुझे ज़रा सोचने दो. Let me think. Let me think. आप क्या कह रहे थे? What were you saying? What were you saying? तो आप पार्टी कब दे रहे हो? When are you throwing the party? When are you throwing the party? हमारी कार खराब हो गई है. Our car has broken down. Our car has broken down. आपको गांव जाना पड़ सकता है. You may have to go to the village. You may have to go to the village. मुझे उसको सच बताना पड़ा. I had to tell her the truth. I had to tell her the truth. चलो मैं आपको छोड़ देता हूँ. Let me drop you. Let me drop you. कौन कहता है तुम पागल हो? Who says that you are mad? Who says that you are mad? तुम कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? ज़रा मैं नहा लूँ. Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. तुमने ऐसे कैसे उसे थप्पड़ मार दिया? How come you slapped him? How come you slapped him? तुम बहुत खूबसूरत हो. You are gorgeous. You are gorgeous. इसमें नमक कम है. It is low in salt. It is low in salt. तुम समझते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you understand? Why don't you understand? मेरे फ़ोन में बैलेंस नहीं है. My phone has no balance. My phone has no balance. टाइम पर आ जाना. Come on time. Come on time. ये तुम्हारी गलती है. It's your mistake. It's your mistake. मुझे क्यों घूर रहे हो? Why are you staring at me? Why are you staring at me? कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. मुझे क्या सपने आते हैं? Do I dream? मुझे क्या सपने आते हैं? Do I dream? तुम्हारा व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस देखा मैंने. I saw your WhatsApp status. I saw your WhatsApp status. मैं कब से तुम्हारा वेट कर रहा हूँ. I have been waiting for you for so long. I have been waiting for you for so long. तुम्हारी सैलरी कब मिलती है? When do you receive the salary? When do you receive the salary? मुझे जॉब की ज़रूरत है. प्लीज़ डू राइट इन द कमेंट बिलो. अगर आपको वीडियो थोड़ी भी अच्छी लग रही है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. तुम आज तक उसे भूल नहीं पाए. You couldn't forget her till today. You couldn't forget her till today. क्या मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल करूं? Shall I call you after some time? Shall I call you after some time? यहाँ रुकने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. It's no use staying here. It's no use staying here. तुमने फालतू में उससे पंगा लिया. You messed with him for no reason. You messed with him for no reason. मैं तुमसे मिलना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to meet you. I don't want to meet you. तुम चाहते क्या हो? What do you want? What do you want? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? चल कुछ खाते हैं. Let's eat something. Let's eat something. वो शायद सो रहा होगा. He may be sleeping. He may be sleeping. मैं उससे पहले कभी नहीं मिला हूँ. I have never met him before. I have never met him before. मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है. Hard work pays. Hard work pays. काश मैं तुमसे मिल सकता. I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. काश मेरे पास एक कार होती. I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. उसकी तबीयत कैसी है अब? How is his health now? How is his health now? हमारे पास ईगो नहीं होना चाहिए. We shouldn't not have an ego. We shouldn't not have an ego. तुम वहाँ कर क्या रहे थे? What were you doing there? What were you doing there? तुम पागल हो गए हो क्या? Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? ये बैग किसका है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? मैं सब कुछ तेरे लिए ही तो करता हूँ. I do everything for you. I do everything for you. क्या तुम उससे डरते हो? Do you get scared of him? Do you get scared of him? क्या आपको बाइक चलानी नहीं आती? Don't you know how to ride a bike? Don't you know how to ride a bike? कल हम फिल्म देखने जा रहे हैं. We are going to watch a movie tomorrow. We are going to watch a movie tomorrow. मुझसे किसी ने नहीं पूछा. No one asked me. No one asked me. तुम मेरी मजबूरी क्यों नहीं समझते हो? Why don't you understand my compulsion? Why don't you understand my compulsion? तुम्हारा इरादा क्या है? What's your intention? What's your intention? मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार रहूँगा हमेशा के लिए. I will be thankful to you forever. I will be thankful to you forever. इतना आसान नहीं होता किसी को भूलना. It's not easy to forget someone. It's not easy to forget someone. मैं तो तेरे रंग रंग से वाकिफ हूँ. I know you inside out. I know you inside out. मुझे अब नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy now. I am feeling sleepy now. तुम्हारे लिए दरवाजे हमेशा खुले हैं. The door are always open for you. The door are always open for you. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. I am speechless. I am speechless. मानना पड़ेगा, आपने कर दिखाया. I have to say you did it. I have to say you did it. मेरे लिए क्या लाए हो? What have you brought for me? What have you brought for me? अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया तो? What if something happens to me? What if something happens to me? आपने मेरे लिए किया क्या है? What have you done for me? What have you done for me? मैं तुम्हारे रास्ते में अब कभी नहीं आऊँगा. Now I will never come to your way. Now I will never come to your way. मैं आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ. I welcome you from the bottom of my heart. I welcome you from the bottom of my heart. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. ऐसे ही डेली यूज़ वीडियोज़ देखने के लिए वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और पास में दिए गए बेल आइकन को ज़रूर क्लिक करें, जैसे आने वाली नई वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे.